fraudulent structures insertion in survey plans. Because of the issue of fraudulent insertion of structures in Goa's official survey records is no longer an isolated complaint. It is now being exposed as a systematic and deeply rooted scam, potentially worth hundreds of crores. Speaker, sir, according to the information in the public domain and whistleblower complaints, almost 180 structures, mostly in CRZ1 and prime coastal areas, have been digitally inserted into survey plans using the Bunaksha software.
VVM actually converted the physical plan into a digital plan. Now, Bunaksha is a cadastral mapping software developed by NIC using open sources application. Okay, at that time. Now there must be around 10,000 structures. We just 10,000 structures. None of the structures will be reflecting in today's plan. Now, for it is past 2 years, no survey has been done. So now basically we have this thing. I believe what happened, that survey should be done at every 10 years.
Kalangut Constituency Forum, they complained to CZMP. In that, when CZMP wrote to your DSLR, you all said these are doubtful structures. Now, कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग? क्या करते हैं ये लोग? किसने किया ये? किसने ये घोटाला किया? You should know. You should answer. किसने किया? Yes.
अविनाश तावारीस प्रकोडरी विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट भरयल्या आणि विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट भरून त्यांनी विड्रॉवल केली. विड्रॉल केली.
ना हांवें प्रश्न गायला त्या हेजेर म्हाका उत्तर बेस्ड ऑन माय कंप्लेंट यू ऑल हॅव रिटर्न टू विजिलन्स एज एक्शन घे.